The wiring for the great room starts at the circuit box and comes down to the switch at the corner of the kitchen and the great room and the breakfast area. It's fed down to the rightmost switch. Out of here is a 14-3 wire that's going to carry the power back up into the attic, across the ceiling, and to the switch across the room by the master bedroom. You see the 14-3 exits over here. You can see the red wire from that. It'll hook up into the switch, and then there's a 14-2 wire that comes out. It's actually going to start feeding the wire or the lights. The 14-2 comes up and daisy chains through the lighting from here.